The separate command is really great in working with Pro Tools, but it's really needed in some really interesting scenarios. And so, at first, let's talk about what it is and how it works. What's fantastic about the way that Pro Tools works is that all the clips, as long as they were recorded together and they were never copy pasted or separated, oftentimes stay as one giant clip. But there's a lot of times where we're trying to work with something inside of that clip range, and we actually do need that clip to be separated. All we have to do is hit Command E, and it's going to separate that area. And now if I click out of it, you'll see that it's a separate component. Now, there's a lot of times where the separation is needed or can be beneficial. Sometimes it's a good way to figure out, like as an example, if we have this tab to transients option on right here. What this allows us to do is anytime we hit tab on the keyboard, if we click into a lane or any of these clips, we hit tab on the keyboard, it's going to take us to the next waveform. And sometimes when we're trying to align to grid or just have something sync start, like have some sort of synchronization in terms of positioning, we want to use that marker as the starting point for something. And the easy way to do it is to hit Command E, and then all of a sudden we're separated at that particular marker. So there's a huge benefit in doing it that way. Additionally, sometimes I find that like when I'm working with MIDI, MIDI can be definitely beneficial to have the separate command, but again, we're going to highlight the region, hit Command E, and we can separate that clip or that region, and we can begin to work with it from there.